How to fix photos missing in messages after iOS 26 update. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, after a major update, iOS rebuilds message attachments along with its entire software. So for that, you can simply keep your iPhone plugged in, connect to a proper working internet connection, and simply give time to your iPhone and wait for 1 to 2 hours or overnight for your iPhone to function normally after update. If not, you can simply try to restart your iPhone, as restarting your iPhone forces messages to reload data. See if that helps, and if not, then launch the Settings application on your device and tap on the Apps option at the bottom and then tap on the Messages option. Here, go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for iMessage and wait for 30 to 40 seconds and then toggle it on again and see if that helps. If not, go back to Settings and tap on your Apple ID and then tap on the iCloud option there. Further, tap on Messages and then go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for use on this iPhone. And if it is already enabled, then you can simply toggle it off and then wait for a few seconds and then toggle it on again. Next, go back to iCloud settings and then tap on the Photos option and make sure the Sync This iPhone toggle button is enabled. And further, go ahead and select the Download and Keep Originals option you see there. This helps restore missing message photos. See if that helps, and if not, then go back to Settings and tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Make sure that you have 5 to 10 GB free space, and if not, then you can try to delete old videos, large apps that are not in use, and unused files, as low storage can stop photos from loading. See if that helps, and if not, then in general, again, tap on Software Update and then go ahead and install the latest version of iOS, as early versions of major updates often have bugs. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix photos missing in messages after iOS updates. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.